Open the ViPlex Express software and click the VNNOX icon in the upper right corner. Select the server node. Enter your account and password and then log in. Tap the screen at the top and select the terminal devices you want to delete from the list. Click More, Delete, OK to successfully delete. Next, we'll discuss how to bind the terminal to the cloud platform. Click the user icon in the upper right corner. Click Screen Authentication. Here you can see our certification information. Open the control panel of ViPlex Express software. Click Server Configuration, then select the server address. Copy your username and password from the cloud platform to ViPlex Express. Click to bind. Click the user icon, then click Personal Settings. Click the icon in the upper left corner to switch to VNNOX Standard. Click on Screen above, and you'll see below that our screen has been successfully bound.